Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to send messages to the members of your project on the Asana application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, tap on the home button down below, which is the first option, and after that click on the project section at the top and select your project. After that, tap on the name of the project at the top, scroll down until you find the messages option and tap on it. Click on the chat box icon down below in the right side corner of the screen and select the those people to whom you want to send this message, and start typing in your message down below into this chat box. Here you can attach pictures, files, tasks, and other things as well. If you are done with typing in your text, click on the send button down below, and here you can see the message that you have just sent. If you want to reply, tap on this box down below and type in your answer and then send it. Here you can give a thumbs up to certain messages, and basically that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.